Okay, today I'm going to show you how to modify the idle air control connector for the Holley HP Dominator. Here's the connector itself. And the Holley HP is configured to use the Chrysler IAC. Both the Chrysler and the GM have the 4-pin inline connector. But in order to use a generic GM IAC, like would come on an AccuFab throttle body, you need to swap pins A and pin C. That's the purple with the blue tracer and the purple with the white. Lots of documentation online says you can cut it back in a harness and swap the wires. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it with no cutting and without any special MetroPack tools. First, we're going to pop off this wire retainer. That's fairly easy. Now we're going to pop off the purple retainer clip. I find the easiest way to do that is just to put a screwdriver underneath there and just twist on it and it'll pop right off. Once that purple retainer clip has been removed, you'll be able to see that each individual pin is locked in by a little plastic retainer. This little piece of plastic comes in and locks over that. So I use something like an X-Acto blade, something very sharp, where I can get in and bend up that black tab, and then I'll release the pin. So let's do that. I'm going to put some pressure on its first pin. I'm going to bend up on this, put the X-Acto blade under that little plastic clip. It'll be tight. But once you bend up that plastic clip, put it down so I can get a hold of it here, it will release and you'll be able to remove the connector. Just like that. Pay attention to the orientation of that, because it's got to go in exactly the same way. We're going to do pin C the same way. Going to get in there and release that little plastic clip. Okay, I've released the black plastic tabs that hold the pins. Now I can just remove, this is pin C. I'm going to just pull it out and move it over to the A position and snap it in. And the one that was in the A position, I'm going to move over to the C position and snap it in. I could feel it click. Now I can snap this retainer back on. It has an orientation. And then put our wire retainer on, and we are done.